But what else can I tell you? I can tell you that when we had the mill and during the war, I must go back to that a minute, there was no lights, the field was empty, and what did they do? They put cows in the field. And the cows in the field were a bit of a nuisance because you didn't have to show a torch if the air raid was on. We had many air raids here. And the trouble was that you couldn't see black cows at any time if it was dark or not. So you either fell over the cows or you put your foot in something you didn't ought to. And that's what used to happen there as well. That was just while we was doing the gardens in the mill for them, the dig for victory. But that happened in that time. And then blow me, I was with my father. We'd come out the gate, walked along by the canal. It was foggy and quiet. We couldn't hear a thing, but we could hear somebody walking in front of us just over the white bridge. And all of a sudden we heard splosh. Jock Jordan the stoker had fallen into the river. And then there was only my dad and myself to get him out. It was a terrible struggle, but we did it. Because the path was so narrow along there, and he couldn't see where he was going, and he just plopped in the river. And luckily we were there, we got him out.